What's going on there, Una? You guys really have to bite my toesies. Takedown. Get him, Una. Yeah, you get him, Una. You get him. You get him. I know, this is tough when I only got 2 hands and I have a camera in one. What are you sassing at me for? What is it you sassing at me for? What? I don't know. Go then. Here, go sass with her. There you go. Smack it. Cause like this, you'd like to smack it. What you doing over here, Splash? Oh, you're gonna get the toy now? You're gonna get the toy? You're gonna get the toy, huh? You're gonna get the toy? That was a very bad toy. Get it. Get that bad toy. Apparently not. Are you trying to exit?